things you need to know when hiring professional packing services in Adelaide for your move. You might not realize just how much stuff you have until it's time to pack. Many people are caught off guard by how quickly things pile up. Even if you live a minimalist lifestyle, packing takes time and effort. On top of that, certain items might spark memories, making the process more emotional and slower than expected. That's where professional packing services come in. They're designed to take that weight off your shoulders. What do packing companies offer? So, what exactly can you expect when you hire a professional packing service? The good news is, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Just like moving needs vary from person to person, packing services are flexible too. Most companies, including Pro Removalists Adelaide, offer tiered options, whether you need help with everything or just a few delicate items. Now that you know what's on offer, you might be wondering, how much does it cost? How much do professional packing services cost? It's true that hiring professionals usually costs more than doing it yourself, but it doesn't mean it's expensive or out of reach. At Pro Removalists Adelaide, we believe quality service should be affordable. Our packages are designed to fit a range of budgets without compromising on efficiency or care. Before you make your decision, though, there are a few important points to keep in mind. Important things to consider when hiring a packing service. When choosing a packing service, don't just look at the price. Be sure to ask. Insurance: are your belongings protected during the move? Privacy: can you trust the team handling your personal items? Additional costs: are there any hidden fees you should know about? Unpacking services: do they also help once you have reached your new home? Thinking through these factors will help you choose a service that's truly right for you. Conclusion: in the end, hiring professionals can make your move faster, safer, and a whole lot less stressful. They bring the tools, the know-how, and the extra hands to get the job done right. So if you're planning a move in Adelaide, let Pro Removalists Adelaide take care of the packing, so you can focus on the excitement of your new beginning.